The next thing I want to cover are the key differences between the user interfaces of both Coinbase and Robinhood. Coinbase provides two versions of the platform that you can use. They have the regular version and the advanced version. Now, both of these versions come with no subscription cost, but they provide very different features and user experiences. The regular version of Coinbase comes with basic charts for each cryptocurrency showing the coin's value over a period of time, and it's easy for beginners to understand this and use it. Coinbase Advanced, on the other hand, is a platform for experienced crypto traders offering features like advanced charting tools, low volume based fees, and access to various trading pairs. Now let's talk about Robinhood. They offer crypto trading right through the basic version of their app, but in addition to this, they also offer an advanced version of Robinhood called Robinhood Legend, which also comes with no subscription cost. Robinhood Legend allows users to view, chart, and even trade select cryptocurrencies with broader availability expected in 2025. However, Robinhood Legend is mostly designed for active stock trading. So overall, if you use the basic versions of either app, most will find the experience to be very beginner friendly, but it's great to know that there are more advanced tools available through both Robinhood and Coinbase, and they don't cost anything.